We are so excited to be here at Murraygate today, celebrating the 50th anniversary of the property and also the completion of a major renovation that we just did. We came into this property that was 50 years old, and we had taken it over in 1991, and the property, of course, aged with time and now needed some renovations. And so we were able to come in and do things to the apartments, such as upgrading the stoves and the kitchens with energy efficient appliances. We renovated bathrooms. We put in new cabinetry. We did things to really modernize this property and make it a great place for people to continue to live.
Housing is a foundational thing. You've got to have housing before you can think about focusing on other areas of your life. If you're thinking about education, if you're thinking about employment, without housing, you can't get to those other areas. This facility is accessible to public transit, accessible to jobs. At the south end of the corridor is Fort Belvoir, and at now the north end of Richmond Highway is Amazon. So you've got these two big anchors, and we're like in the center. So we want to see opportunities to help our residents get training and skills so they can get jobs at Fort Belvoir and they can get jobs at Amazon or wherever.
You know, it's absolutely vital to our children as well. You know, we just started school last week. Kids can't learn if they don't have stable homes. And to me, it's an essential part of infrastructure, as important as sidewalks, street lights, and stormwater ponds.
3, 2, 1, cut.
All right.
Excellent.
So affordable housing is really a foundational part of anyone being able to live, work, and play in our community. And by helping to provide affordable housing here in Fairfax County, we help residents find self-sufficiency and to be able to grow their families and themselves and be able to contribute to their community.